How to use Teams app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can use Teams app. Microsoft Teams is a team collaboration application developed by Microsoft as part of the Microsoft 365 family of products. If you want to use it, first of all, you will have to download and install the Teams application. For that, you want to head over to any web browser, then search for download Microsoft Teams. On the website of Microsoft.com, you want to click on the download app for desktop option. Once you click on this, you will have two options: Teams for home or Teams for work or school. Click on whichever you want. If you select work or school, you will require the ID provided by your work or school. Once you have installed it, here you want to click on the sign in option. If it is for your home, you want to enter your personal ID, then click on the next option. Now enter your password and you will be signed in. If it is for work or school, you will have to enter the ID provided by your school or by your office. Once you have been signed into your account, this is going to be the home page. On the left hand side, you have the navigation panel. Here, the calendar option is for you to schedule meetings. You can click on any of the meetings to find more details about it. Here you can find details including the date and time and also the meeting ID. Now, if you head back, you can click on Join with an ID in order to join a new meeting, or click on Meet Now in order to start a new meeting. You can also click on New Meeting and then schedule a new meeting and also enter all the details. Next, we have chats. Here you can start a new chat. In order to do that, you will have to enter the recipient's name, phone number, or email. Then you can compose a message from here. You can also start a new meeting from here or start a new conversation from the chat section. Now we have the community option. In this option, you can build your own community using the mobile application. Click on the Get Started on Mobile app and you will find a QR code. If you scan it, you can download the mobile application and then you can join or create your own communities by downloading the latest version of the Teams mobile app. With the community, you can bond with others, share news, and engage in discussions. Next, we have activity. Here you will find mentions, replies, and other notifications. You can click on the gear icon to open up your settings and make any changes if you want. If you require help, click on the help option at the bottom left corner and choose any topic you want. And this is basically all you have to know in order to use Teams application. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.